Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss how you can purchase an add-on as a partner. So let's get started. Simply log into your partner's account. Once you are logged in, you simply have to click on your plan section on the left hand side menu. Once you will click on this option, then you have to click on the second option, that's the add-on. If you click on the add-on, you will get the available add-ons on the monthly basis, and if you choose yearly basis, you will get all the add-ons that are available on our platform for an yearly basis. So these are the messages packs, these are the WhatsApp messages add-on. You can get these add-ons from here. You can simply click on add to cart. So if you click on this plus option, you will be able to see the add-ons that you have selected in your cart, and then you can simply proceed to pay from here, and you can select the option that you would like to proceed with paying, and once you will pay, the add-on will be successfully added to your account. So this is how you can purchase an add-on as a partner. Please let us know if you have any query related to the same. We will surely help you. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.